na binigay na percentage ng ating government. Okay? So, how will I enroll? Yun ang madalas na tinatanong sa akin din kapag may mga nag-message sa akin. So, here is the guidance or brief guidance lang to. Pero you can always do your own research. That's the DIOR. And take your own risk. Pero ito hindi siya masyadong ganun ka bongga ang risk niya. Alright. Number 1, you have to go to the Pag-ibig virtual page. So, itong i-discuss ko is yung more on online to kasi yung manual hindi ko masyadong alam din. But you can always go to your nearest Pag-ibig office. So, magtanong na lang kayo dun kung gusto na ninyong manual. Pero this one, ito yung ginawa ko. In-open ko yung Pag-ibig virtual ko. And then, kailangan mong i-prepare yung MID. What is the MID? That would be the Pag-ibig membership ID. Kaya ako sinasabi na dapat active member ka and meron kang regular Pag-ibig regular savings before or prior going to invest into the MP2. Next would be, you have to enter your desired monthly investment, indicate the amount of it pwede mong i-invest each month. So, hindi ito, ibig sabihin na pag nilagay mo 500 pesos is 500 pesos lang. And the desired amount lang yan na 500 pesos. Pero, pwede kang maglagay ng 500, 10,000, 20,000. So, yun. Tapos, in every month, pwede mong iba-ibahin yun. Desired amount lang naman. Okay? Next will be, how it will be scheduled. Okay, so, paano may i-schedule yung dividend mo? So, dalawa yan. That would be, pipili ka kung gusto mong compounding. Okay, so, compounding would be, yung pera mo, yung anong tawag nito, yung dividend mo will be added lang dun sa capital mo and then added lang ng added every year. So, yun yung compounding. And then yung annual, that would be every year na mabibigay sa'yo yung dividend is papasok siya doon sa bank account na i-register mo din. Okay? So, yun yung dalawang ways of getting the dividend na kailangan desidido ka rin upon fill out nung papel or ng registration mo when you open in virtual Pag-ibig. Okay. So, you will need to check as well on how will you pay